This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a comfortable pen and paper. The tip size matters for texture. Begin with loose, continuous marks, loops, zigzags, quick circles so you avoid preciousness. Once done, layer those marks without pressing hard. Variety and pressure creates depth. Make sure to move your whole arm for longer strokes and your wrist for detail. You are building rhythm, not an exact outline. Keep your pace steady, breathe, and let the page fill without aiming for perfection. You now look for shapes emerging from the initial chaos and decide which two areas to emphasize. Committing early prevents overworking. Once decided, deepen those zones with denser scribbles, cross-hatching, and contrast by varying pressure so darks and lights read clearly. Make shorter, tighter marks for texture and longer strokes for flow. Also, step back and assess negative space. Deliberately leave white gaps to create highlights. Keep alternating broad and fine marks to maintain balance and interest. You finish by refining edges and reinforcing the strongest marks. Use controlled lines sparingly so you don't overdefine the sketchy charm. Once done, balance contrast. If an area looks muddy, increase nearby darks or create highlights by leaving tiny white spaces. Make sure to add a few decisive strokes to guide the eye. If you feel stuck, pause for 5 to 10 minutes and return with fresh eyes. That break helps you spot where to simplify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.